Hello, in this video we're gonna disassemble Toshiba laptop. The model is Portege R830. We have to replace the thermal paste, so let's start. The first thing, of course, we have to take out the battery. We're gonna remove the cover for the memory from the hard drive, and after that we're gonna remove all the screws, and basically the bottom should come off eventually, if I remember this model. So let's start. Now usually there are two types of screws on this model. Ones are a bit shorter and the other ones are a little bit longer, so just be careful. Usually the shorter one are marked with F4 right next to the screw hole, so just pay attention. But I think here they are a little bit mixed. Also there's two screws here under the dock connector, which I think are also longer ones. Now that was quite easy. Now the weird thing about this laptop is that the fan is on this side, the cooler is on the upper side, which is crazy if you ask me, but now the fan is clean, it's in perfect condition, so we don't have to clean it. We're just gonna remove the cooler and we're gonna replace the thermal paste. If you want to clean the fan, there's two screws on each side. Just remove them. Let me get something to clean. Usually I prefer to use a dry Q-tip first in order to scrape. This way I don't make a lot of mess. Depends how old the thermal paste is, but usually it's much cleaner this way. After that we're gonna put a little isopropylic alcohol and we're gonna clean the CPU. The cooler is clean, so we don't have to clean it also. We're just gonna clean the old paste from it. Like this. Now let's grab the thermal paste. Don't put too much, or when you put the cooler it will squeeze everything around, and next time you're gonna replace it you have more to clean. Now we're gonna put, when I put the cooler I like to slide it a little bit left to right in order for the paste to make an even layer. So everyone should do whatever he thinks is better. It's all about practice and try. Basically that's it. Probably it will be a boring video, but now let's check here. Everything is nice and shiny. We're just gonna put everything back. Like this. We're gonna start with the two long screws on the battery. Now let's put the short one first. The shorter ones are on the F4 marking. All the rest should be the same size. This is the boring part. You can skip it if you like. Basically, we're gonna put all the screws back. We're gonna put the covers on the memory and the hard drive, and we're gonna call the customer. Now there were two pieces here which are holding the hard drive not to slide. We just put them back. This is not the original one, but the customer did replace the hard drive. The old one was 9mm thick, the new ones are 7mm, so he just put something above the hard drive in order not to move. Let's see. And we have a picture. Basically that's the whole procedure. Hope you like the video. Bye bye for now.